Hi, and welcome to Bytes of Inspiration with Code Savvy, a video series for anyone interested in computer science education, centered around sharing quick tips, ideas, and resources that you can take and use with your students right away. This week's video is all about finding intentional ways to integrate Python into core classes. Let me introduce you to our guest speaker.
Hi, my name is Mike Larsson, and you can find me on Twitter at bounds_about_math. That's math out of bounds backwards. And I've been teaching math for 12 years and most recently started to bridge that into computer science. Before jumping into Python, in math class we often start with what's called a notice wonder. So look at this visual right here. What do you notice and what do you wonder? Perhaps you've seen the Worlds Colliding episode of Seinfeld. You could think of the two circles on the picture as worlds and their collision is gold. Now, in the Seinfeld episode, the worlds colliding was bad. We believe that the intersection, in this case of computer science or coding, and the summation symbol that represents math, is gold. Although this video focuses on math, if you are a core teacher from a different area, or even a STEM teacher, be thinking about where the golden intersections lie in your content area. Python uses Seymour Pappert's Turtle programming module as a playground to explore geometry fundamentals, including segments and angles. Using iterative loops and function abstractions, we apply fundamental elements of computer science, and our worlds collide, this time to model stars of the American flag. In algebra, it's extremely empowering for students to decompose this technological monster we call the graphing calculator. After using pattern recognition to build the gridded plane and XY axis, we hard-code a line, parabola, or math function of our choice, and worlds not only collide, but an entirely new school of thought is born. As our world becomes increasingly data-driven, we need our future leaders to not only think algorithmically, but how to partner that knowledge with a computational language. In this project, students use the fundamental averaging algorithm as a structural foundation for later statistical calculations and to construct arguments about the best Yankee home run hitters. Our hope is that these examples sparked golden intersections of computer science with your world of content. To code these Python examples and others like it, follow this QR code to 30 guided videos, or visit csmmath.org for other free math coding lessons.
Thanks again to our guest speaker, Mike Larsson, for sharing intentional tips for integrating Python into core classes in ways that enhance knowledge of computer science and the content area. We hope you'll tune in again next week for another Bytes of Inspiration video with Code Savvy. Feel free to reach out to us on social media and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks, and we'll see you again next week. Bye.